Hey YouTube, it's Aisha here back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a quick tour of my second floor, specifically just the guest room, our rec room, and our second bath. I'm not gonna go into the kids' bedrooms yet because they are not where I want them to be to do a tour. And then there are still some things that I wanna do in the rooms that I am gonna show you, but for the most part, it's okay and I can just do a quick tour just to show you our second floor. We left off, I did a home tour, my husband and I, we did a home tour of our first floor. And if you haven't seen that video, I will put a link in the description box so you can go back and see that home tour, and it was all of the first floor. But I am ready to take you guys upstairs to our guest room, our rec room, and a few other rooms. So yeah, let's get right into it. So when you walk upstairs, to the left over here is our guest room, and I kind of found this cute little art work plant and a little stand that I already had, and just set something right here just to give it a little bit of decor in the hallway. This is our guest room, and just a cute little room. Black and white, and of course gray theme in here. These are my colors. We are gonna change this television out and put it in the corner somehow because I do want this picture to show, and it kind of will give it a little bit more space when you look at the top of the dresser. So I will change that out eventually. We haven't done that yet. In here I have just a few little things for our guests. There's like this basket here that has like toothpaste, mini toothbrushes, lotion, body wash, and stuff like that. Shower caps in there for our guests. Some extra towels if they need it. And then a sheet set if they need to change out. But for the most part, when our guests come over, they do have access to that. They can use it if they need to. And when they leave, of course, I am sanitizing and cleaning the room and just getting it ready for the next guest. Eventually, we're gonna get some blinds, some electrical blinds. And usually when guests come over, we can untie this. I'm gonna get some tie backs for this. I just did this on my own with one of the curtains, just to let the natural sunlight in here. But I am gonna have some true tie backs to go here. And then we're gonna get some blinds to put up, electrical blinds, cloth electrical blinds to put up as well. We haven't done that yet. Over here, of course, I've got your Kleenex, just a little plant. I usually sit water here when guests do come over. And I just found this cute little Wi-Fi sign at Home Goods. And of course, we are gonna put the password there so that guests can have access to our Wi-Fi when they come here. And most of the wall art that you do see, either, like I said in my first home tour video, is either from Home Goods, Burlington, or Ross, or at home. I did decide to put a mirror right here. My best friend came and she was like, what you're missing in that room is a mirror. So I take heed to what people are saying. So I added a mirror. Just a nice little seating area right here. I kind of wanted, sorry, I just did a 360 for y'all and took y'all on a whole dizzy circle, but I kind of wanted like a white chair to go in this corner as well. But I haven't found one that I like. But I do want to put like a white comfortable chair in this corner, and then just put the hamper in the closet. And speaking of the closet, now it's not the cleanest closet, and it's kind of becoming storage for all of my comforters and stuff like that. And then for some reason, my mom has come to visit and she's left clothes here. So those are hers. Come get your stuff, Donna. But it's pretty much storage for right now. And eventually I'm going to get this stuff out of here. And I'm kind of thinking as well, I want to keep the closet space, but I also was thinking to kind of put like a little desk in here and take the doors off. But that's just something that I'm thinking about doing. I don't know if it'll make the most sense, but I've got a little throw blanket here in case you do want to cozy up, but you don't want to mess up the actual comforter and covers. You can do so. So I tried to make the room just as cozy as I could for guests. I want people to be comfortable. Anything you need, it's in here. So yeah, for the most part, our guests have been pretty comfortable. Everyone has had, you know, great things to say. We've got a little Alexia in here. If you want to wake up and play your music, and if you want to connect with us in any other room in the house, you can just drop in a certain room and say what you got to say. So we try to make it just as comfortable as we can for our guests. And for the most part, our guests have had great things to say. So moving right along. These are our kids' rooms. We're not going to go in these rooms today, but that's our boys' room. And then this is Elijah's room. But we are going to go up the hallway. And to the right, you've got Ariel's room. But this is the bathroom that they all share, with the exception of Elijah. He has his own bathroom. But this is our bathroom off of the hall that our adult children come in. Not much going on in here. As you can see, it's still going with the gray tones and the beige tones and the white, and you know, that's what we're liking right now. But it's pretty standard in here, pretty standard bathroom. And again, I will say that any of the wall art is from either Burlington's or Home Goods. So, and of course I have this little basket here full of tissue and little wipes and things like that, just for our guests as well, so they're not trying to figure out where things are. Usually when guests come, they do use this bathroom, or they use a bathroom that I'm going to show you that is right off of this room. And this is our rec room. This is where we do most of our chilling, watching our TV, playing music, playing games, lounging on the furniture, things like that. I wanted a designated room for that and not have our main living room space for that. So this is pretty much where we come and just chill and watch TV, play games, listen to music, entertain any guests that come over. We're usually in this room, and the theme in this room is a Paris theme. And if you know me, you know that I love Paris. I had a chance to visit there with my husband, and it was just amazing. I would love to go back. So of course, I was just hooked on just having a Paris themed room. And of course, the colors in here are the black and white and the gray. I want to add a little bit more red to this couch. I'm not sure if I want to add red pillows. Not really red, but like this deep color red here. In pillows, I may want to do throw blankets in this red color as well. I was thinking to have a throw blanket at each section, so that if guests do come over here and we're chilling and they want to just cozy up with the blanket, they can. And then of course, if we have any food up here, it's usually on this table set up and we're eating up here. We're playing cards up here. Another thing that we wanted to do in this room is we wanted to put like a little mural on this wall of like Paris or some skyline, some city skyline or something like that in black and white. So we want to do it at the top and the bottom. So we have to find someone to do that, but that is the idea that we wanted for this wall. And of course, Penny has a section up here so that she is not lounging on our furniture. However, she will make her way and will lounge on our furniture, but she has her own little room. There's a light in there. She's got her blankets, her pillows. We don't close this door. That would just be dog abuse. But we leave the door open, and there's little decor on there. Like I said, everything is pretty much Paris themed in here. I found these cute little curtains at Burlington. I wish they could be a little longer, but hey, that's what we got up there. I'm eventually gonna change this out as well. I haven't done it yet, but I kind of I've got some ideas that I want to switch this to. Another thing that we want to get is some type of console here, whether it be a fireplace or something off of the floor. We do want to put something here as well. And of course, you've got the TV there. And then if we head on over to this way, there is the rec room bathroom straight ahead. And then this is like a wet bar, a mini wet bar area where you can make your drinks. We've got a little cooler here where you can come and you can, you know, get your drinks in there. So yeah, I'm gonna put something here. I haven't figured out what yet, maybe like a huge mirror or something. And eventually as well, we do want to change out like the flooring in both this bathroom and our bathroom off of the hall. We do want to change out the flooring for that. This door here is our I'm sorry, not our rec room. This is gonna be our barber area. My husband has come up with the idea to change this into like a barber room area and have like the guy's side over here. We're gonna put some shelving up here. We're gonna have the girls' side over here, put some shelving up here with the lights so that we can do our makeup and our hair and things in here, and just make this a designated space for that. We'll probably take this door off because it's kind of in the way, and get like the sliding barn doors to go on either side. But this is what this room is for. Just a little small room. We'll put some decorations up here. We haven't gotten to it yet. That's another renovation project that we're gonna get into, but that is the barber room. And then going up here, taking a tour by Penny. This is our rec room. This is our movie room, where we come and we watch our movies and we watch our favorite shows, and just on the big screen. I don't know what inch this is, but this is actually a painted wall, and it's just has a black border, so it's not a screen, but our projector is up there, and our sound system and everything is in here. So yeah, this is our rec room. Why do I keep saying that? This is our movie room, people. Penny has her little pillow up here because we do try to keep her off of the furniture. So I want to make it as comfortable as possible for her. So she has that, and it is seating for 7. So usually when everybody's here, everyone has their seats. Of course, Michael and I are here, so it works out. I make it like some black throw blankets to go in here as well, and maybe some pillows in the seats. I haven't gotten there yet. We haven't fully decorated this room with all of the movie stuff, but I am wanting to get like the huge posters to go up of our favorite movies, maybe put some sconces right here, and just deck it out to make it a true movie room. Over here is the bathroom. Like I said, I haven't done anything up in here yet, but I'm gonna decorate in here. Just another project of mine that I have to get to, but it's just your standard bathroom, so we don't have to run downstairs when we have to go in the middle of a movie. This is like the concession area where we have a refrigerator here. We're gonna get another one because that one does not fit, but this is what we put up here for the time being. Popcorn machine, you know, hot dog little thingy over there. So I want to put some stuff up on the wall in here too. But yeah, we haven't gotten there yet, but this is our designated movie room. So yeah, that is this room. And then of course in here is all of the equipment, you know, games and stuff like that in there. Nothing was over here until my son started working from home, so he is up here. This is where he chose to work, so y'all don't think we put him in the corner. He chose to go up here and work. If he's truly working, he may be up here watching movies, who knows. But yeah, this is our movie room. Some nights we'll have movie night, we'll come up here. Our guests come over, we'll come and have a movie night. If there's a new release, we're usually watching it up here on the big screen. So yeah, we get good use out of this room. And then through here, it's not finished yet. It's an unfinished room, but my husband has an idea to change this into like a little smoker's lounge type of situation for he and his guys. So that's gonna be like a little man cave situation up in that room. And it's a pretty decent space too.